Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Ferrari car telephone, and this is Steve's equipment from Minnesota. And he's got a note with his telephone. This is the initial checkout. And he's talking about how he cannot hear people when he talks to them on the telephone. And he doesn't really think it's the receiver because he can hear some clicking and noise out of it when he tries to dial. So he's associating it with the circuitry of the car, and it very well could be. We need to troubleshoot this unit. But since this is the initial checkout, I want to show you this really cool telephone here. It's very unique. And that's your little emblem there. Now they really don't mention the make of this vehicle. On the tag. But it looks so much like a Ferrari that we basically know that that's what it is. So we want to show you the inside here of the telephone when you pick it up, the handset. And then our keypad is on the base of the unit. We want to get a start on this telephone. We're going to go ahead and troubleshoot. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Ferrari telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we've gained access into the base unit, and we have our PC board here. And basically what we want to do is we want to troubleshoot this board out. And I already see a few things that I don't like, but we want to go ahead and do our troubleshooting and make any repairs that we might need to make. And this is what that board looks like if you've never seen the inside of one of these Ferrari telephones. That's the main PC board that's in this unit. Now, we also want to tell you about our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. And it's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. Now, we also want to upgrade the receiver capsule that's in the handset. I'm pretty sure I know which style receiver capsule that's in this unit, and I want to upgrade it because they use kind of a non-expensive type receiver capsule, and they don't take much abuse. So while we're working on the telephone, I want to upgrade that. And there might be a little notice of the weight of the handset, and that's because the upgraded receiver capsule that we're going to use is heavier than the style that they use in that. We'll show you that receiver capsule a little later on in the checkout video. So we're going to go ahead and start our troubleshooting process. We'll go ahead and repair the unit, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Ferrari telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Ferrari telephone. We're going to run through a little bit about what's going on. The issues with the receive have been resolved. We also upgraded the receiver capsule like we mentioned earlier. This receiver capsule would be an issue in the future. It would not hold up. We upgraded it with a heavier duty receiver capsule, and we're going to set this one to the side because it's of no use to us. Now you're going to notice a little weight difference. The handset is heavier now because the receiver capsule that we used is a better receiver capsule. It's an upgrade, and it might even be a little louder. So Basically, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. Now, it is amplified, and it is to pick up the receive on a checkout or when we're troubleshooting, repairing telephones. Problem is, we have the transmitter is a microphone, and that's all an amplified situation also. So we are going to try to get through this without any kind of feedback. And because that can cause a feedback, the two amplifications picking one another up. We also want to go ahead and ring this unit. So I'm going to hold down the receiver hook switch, and I'm going to plug the unit in, and I'm going to ring this telephone. But we're on a towel here, so the piezo buzzer is underneath the telephone here, the base unit. So I think the video would probably pick it up. We'll go ahead and ring the unit. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. Sees the analyzer. We want to turn our amplifier on. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. That's a mute button, so the star is actually mute. We have a 0, and then we have a redial for the pound sign. Now, if I hold you can actually see our transmit right there. Every time I transmit, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. So it's pretty sensitive, or I can tap on it. Or I can press mute and you will not see any transmit. But I'll go ahead and transmit into the unit. We'll set our amplifier to the side. Every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has transmit and receive. We'll go ahead and set our amplifier back on, and we'll give you some dial tone. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out. Totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and do that. We're going to turn up the amplifier a little bit and hope it doesn't feed back. And we'll call that number.
Good afternoon. We do body work, and we do it right the first time. Offenburg Body Shop, 901 South Illinois in Belleville, 618-234-0330. Today is Friday, September 4th. The time is 5:44. Current temperature 104 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast.
Mostly sunny today with highs in the lower 90s. Mostly clear this evening, lows in the lower 70s. Mostly sunny on Friday, highs in the lower 90s.
Okay. We can hang up. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Dial tone. We can hang up and we'll hit redial. Dial tone. Turn off our amplifier. We can hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Ferrari telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Steve and he can enjoy this telephone again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.